Hello everyone, myself Dr. Feroza Demirajkar. So first we'll open the Keel software by double clicking on the icon, and today we will see a program of adding the data which is stored at 30H and 31H in the internal memory location and storing the result and the carry which is generated. So first we'll go to the project, new Vision project. I will use the previously created project, that is Alice, and save. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Now we have to choose the device here. Type microchip. So you are getting microchip here. Click on this plus sign and search for 8089C51. So this is 8089C51 and click on OK. Then you have to click on No. Now click on here, the target is created, that is on the left side of the screen in the project window. You have target 1 created. Click on the plus sign. Then you will see source group 1. Now go to the file, open new file. So here we'll type our program. I will directly paste the program here. Now we have to save the program. I will name the program as add, and you have to save with the extension ASM. Then save. Now right click on the source group 1 in the project window and click on add existing files to group source group 1. Then type your program name here, that is add.asm. Select, click on add and close. Now click on the plus symbol of the source group 1 in the project window and see whether your program has been added under the source group 1. So our program is added in the source group 1 here. Now next you have to go to the project, then click on build target. So here in the build output at the bottom you can see here it is having 0 errors and 1 warning. Now go to the debug. Click on start or stop debug session. Click on OK. So now you'll get this window. Here at the bottom you can see you are having memory. I'll take this memory here. Okay. You can take it here also. Now our location here, it is 30H, that is our result should be stored in 33H and 34H. So I will type here I, because here our data is in internal memory location and we are storing the result in the internal memory location. So whenever you are using internal memory locations, you have to type here I colon and 30H, because we are using the 30H address. So 30H, then press enter. So here you will see I 0 into 30H. So here now you have to enter your data. Here we are adding two numbers which are stored at 30H and 31H. So at 30H I will take 22 and at 31H I'll take it as 11. So the result I should get it as 33. Now you have to go to the debug and you have to click on run. So here you can see this is 30H location, 31, 32, 33. So at 33 you should get your result, that is the addition of the two numbers. It must be stored at location 33 and the addition of 22 and 11 is 33 and here no carry is generated. Therefore, at 34th location, we are getting it as 0, 0. Now, this was one example for without carry, that is carry is not generated here. Next, one more example we'll see here. I'll stop it and I will run it once again. Click on debug, start or stop debug session. OK. Okay. Already we have used 30th location. It is typed here. Now in 30th location, I will put F1 and 31st position, I will put, sorry, location, I will put F8. Now we'll run this. You can see here at 33rd location you are getting the result as E9, and at 34th location you are getting the carry, that is 1. So here the sum is E9 with carry 1. Now I'll explain you the program. So here first you have to write the starting address, that is org000h. Now next instruction is move r2 comma #00h. So here we are initializing the register r2 to 00h, and this register, it is used to store the carry bit if 1 is generated during the addition. Okay. Next instruction is move a comma 30h. Here it moves the value stored at the memory location 30h into the accumulator. Next instruction is move b comma a. It copies the value from the accumulator A into the register B. Now B holds the value from 30h. Okay. Next instruction is move a comma 31h. So here it will load the value from the memory location 31h into the accumulator. Okay. So next instruction is add a comma b. This instruction, it will add the value in the register B, that is from 30h location to the current value in A from 31st location, and the result, it is stored in A register, that is the accumulator. Now if the result exceeds 8 bits, that is if it is greater than FFH, the carry flag in the program status word, that is the PSW register, it is set. And next instruction is JNCDN, that is jump if no carry, and DN is the label which we have given. So if no carry is generated, then CY will be 0, that is the carry will be 0. The program will jump to the label DN. Okay, here after adding, if no carry is generated, it will directly jump to this label. Otherwise, it will execute the next instruction, that is JNCDN. Okay, sorry, it will execute the next instruction, that is increment R2. Earlier the carry was not generated, therefore R2 was 0. Now you have to increment R2. Next instruction is move 34h comma. So next instruction is DN move 33h comma A. Here the value in the accumulator, okay, which is the lower 8 bits of the sum, it is stored in the memory location 33h. And the next instruction is move 34h comma R2. Here the value which is stored in R2, either it may be 00 or 01, which indicates no carry or carry respectively. It is stored in the memory location 34H. Okay. So now we will see the execution step by step. I'll stop it. I will click on debug, start or stop. Okay. Okay. So here I'll put 22 and here I'll put it as 11. So now first we'll go here, that is step execution, or you can press F11. So here you can see we will execute move A comma 30H. Initially R2, that is the register R2 which is used to store the carry. It is initialized to 00. Next move A comma 30H. Whatever data is stored in 30H, that will be moved to A. Press click here. So in A at 30H we have 22. Now 22 it is stored in A. Next move B comma A. In A you have 22, that must be moved to B. Again press this. So now B is having 22. Okay. Now next location is 31. Whatever is stored in 31, that has to be moved to accumulator A. So now again press this. You can see in A you have 11 here. Okay. Next instruction is add A comma B. So click on this. You are getting 33. Add A comma B is whatever is there in A register and B register should be added, and it has to be stored in A register, that is the accumulator. So in the accumulator here we are getting it as 33. Next again you click here, because there is no carry generated, therefore the next instruction here JNC down, it will directly come to this label and it will store the result which was in accumulator at the 33rd location, that is here you will get in the 33rd location 30, 31, 32, 33. Now in 33rd location you are getting the result as 33, that is the addition, and here no carry is being generated, so it has directly come to this and there is no increment in R2, therefore R2 will be stored in 34th location, that is here after 33, that is 34th location, it is 00. Okay. Now go to debug and stop. So here this was the program. Here the purpose of the program is here it will add two 8-bit numbers stored in the internal memory 30H and 31H, and it handles the overflow, that is the carry, and stores it in a separate memory location 34H, and it will ensure correct arithmetic results for both the sum and the carry. Thank you.